Hey everyone, welcome back to Odoo Studio. In this video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and visually helpful features in Odoo, smart buttons. Yes, you got it right. These little buttons that you often see at the top of your forms like quotations, invoices, or inventory are not just there for decoration. They give you quick access to related records and real-time data, right where you need it. Whether you are a developer customizing forms or a business user trying to improve navigation and visibility, smart buttons can make your Odoo experience much smoother and more intuitive. So what exactly are we building today? We are going to add a custom smart button to the product form view in Odoo 18. This button will count the number of sale orders that include this product, display that count on the button, and when clicked, it will open a featured list of those sales orders, giving you quick insight into product sales without having to dig through menus. So what will we learn in this video today, guys? How to create a custom field to calculate related record count, how to return a custom action that opens a filtered view, how to place and style a smart button using XML, best practices for integrating with the Odoo backend. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own smart buttons, whether for tracking sales, bombs, invoices, or even custom models, or within a clean, professional looking interface. So let's just jump in and start building this feature from scratch, step by step. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am using Odoo 18 at the moment. If you go in settings, and I can show you Odoo 18 Enterprise Edition, but it doesn't matter if you're using Community or Enterprise Edition. It's the same thing because the applications we are using today that are also present in Community Edition as well. So if I go in Visual Studio Code, so as you can see in Visual Studio Code in Odoo 18, this is the custom folder which is empty at the moment. So we are going to, so let me just create a new folder now in custom folder, and I start with smart button, the module of the name, so smart button, and I create a new file init file, also create manifest file, then create models folder, create views folder, then create static folder, and in static folder create a new folder description. Then in models folder, I'm going to create a new file named as init. So first in the base init file, I'm going to write this from .import models. Right. So guys, first of all, I'm just going to copy and paste the manifest file. And then I will explain it to you that what I have done. So this is the manifest file. I think this is the mistake. And now it should be fine. So this is the manifest file for our custom Odoo module. It acts like a blueprint or identity card that tells Odoo what the module is, what it does, and how it should behave. So let's break it down line by line so it's crystal clear. First of all, this line name is product smart button sale order count. So this is the display name of our module in the Odoo apps list. It tells users that this module adds a smart button to the product that shows how many sales orders it is involved in. Then the version, because it is in Odoo 18, so we can give version like that. The current version of our module, you can update it when you make improvements or bug fixes. So let's suppose if you will add another module after this customization, so you can add it 2, 3 or whatever you like. Then this line, summary, add a smart button to products showing the number of related sales orders. A short description that appears in the Odoo apps interface gives users a quick idea of what the module does without opening the full details. Then the description. A long, more detailed explanation shown in the module's description panel in the apps menu describes what the module does, why it is useful, key features like real-time count, filtered list, and integration with product form. Then after that, the author, your name or brand, in this case, your awesome YouTube channel Odooistic. Then the website, a link to your website or profile useful for branding or directing users to your channel for support tutorials. Category, sales, the category under which the module appears in Odoo's apps list. Helps user find the module when filtering by functionality. Then of course, depends, lists core Odoo modules that must be installed for this module to work. Since we are working with sale order and product.product, we depend on sale and product. So that's why I have mentioned sale and product. Right. After that, data. And these are the XML files that will be loaded when the module is installed. So at the moment, we will only install this one view file, which is product underscore form underscore view.xml. Let's copy it and add it a new file in views folder. So yeah, we can save time. Right. Then here it is pointing to our smart button UI inside the product form view. So that's the code, we will write it in there later. Installable is true, tells Odoo that this module can be installed. It sets to false, it won't appear in the apps list. Then application is false. If true, the module shows up as an app with its own menu in the main dashboard. But we are not adding a new app. We set it to false because this is a small feature extension, not a full app. Then the last line, license, specifies the license. LGPL3 is a common open source license that allows commercial use but requires that changes to the module are also open. Okay, right guys. Now this is complete. Our manifest file is complete. Now we shift our focus on models folder. So as you can see in models folder, we have one init file. So we just need to create a new file now and we call it product.py. And in this product.py file, we will just add this. Just give me 1 minute. That's it. So I have added the code now. So we are going to inherit product.product model where we will add this customization. So First of all, from Odoo import models, fields, API, and then underscore, we are importing the define models and business logic. Then class product models.model, here this line. This class inherits the core product model, which holds product data. And by inheriting it, we are extending the existing product model without replacing it. This is what we are doing. Then we are adding a field, sale underscore order underscore count is equal to fields dot integer. And then we are adding, that is an integer field we are adding. And this is a string of that field, sale order count. And then we are adding a method, compute method, which is underscore compute underscore sale underscore order underscore count. This adds a computed field, sale order count, on the product. It is displayed as sale order count in the UI, and it is computed automatically using the underscore compute underscore sale underscore order underscore count method. Now, we are defining this method now, underscore compute sale order count. So this method loops through each product for product itself by this line, thanks to this line. It searches for sale order lines, sale.order.line, where this product is used. So wherever this product will be used in sale order.line, it will add a count. This is what we want. So search count returns the number of matching lines, which is saved to sale underscore order underscore count. And now we are shifting our focus to the next method, which is action underscore view underscore sale underscore orders. Action underscore view underscore sale underscore orders is the method linked to the smart button. Self.ensure underscore one, the first line, ensures that this is called on a single product, not a list, or it raises an error. Then in next line, sale orders is equal to self.env sale.order.line, and then search product underscore id is equal to self.id.mapped order underscore id finds all sale order line records that match this product. And then dot mapped in bracket order underscore id extracts just the unique sale orders linked to those lines. Now, what we are returning, this returns a window action telling Odoo to open a new view. Type ir.actions.act underscore window opens a new model view. Then res underscore model sale.order. The model to show sale orders. View mode list comma form open in list view with form view fallback. Then domain id in sale underscore orders dot id. So IDs only shows sale orders that include this product. And then context, I have also added context default underscore product underscore id self.id optional in case you want to pre-fill this product in some fields. Then target current open in the same tab. You could use new to open in a pop-up. So now what this enables, you can now display a smart button on the product form. It shows how many sale orders include the product. Clicking it gives you a filtered list of those orders now. So only what we need to add now a smart button in UI. That's it. Right, so now we need to create file in XML. So already, as you know, I have already created a file, empty file at the moment. So I just need to copy some code in there. Right. So first field name is model product.product. This is the we are actually adding it on product model. So let me just start with first line, which is this one. So this is a standard XML declaration. Odoo is the root tag used in all Odoo XML data files. Now after that, this line number 4, record ID, and view product form underscore inherit underscore smart button. Then model is ir.ui.view. So we are creating a new inherited view using an XML record, and this is the ID. It's a unique identifier for this view using an XML record, and model is ir.ui.view tells Odoo this is a view definition. Then after that, line number 5, field name is name, product.product.form.smart.button.sales. So basically human readable name for the view, useful in debugging and developer mode. After that, line number 6, we are modifying the view for the product.product model. Then the next one, field name is inherit underscore ID, ref is product.product normal underscore form underscore view. So let me explain it to you. If we are going in sales and then going in product variants and open any product form view, then activate the developer mode, click this button, and then choose view form. Then you can see external ID. So this is the external ID you need to use for inherit ID. So as you can see, this is exactly the same inherit ID I am using. Why we are using this? This tells Odoo you are inheriting the existing standard product form view, not replacing it entirely. So you will add something into that existing view. Then we are targeting the button selection here. XPaths div name is button box, position inside. So basically XPath allows us to find a specific part of the original view and insert our content there. So div name is button box, targets the place where smart buttons like inventory, forecast, and sales are placed. Position is inside, so means our content will be inserted inside that div. The smart button itself. So now here we are starting creating a button with a class OE underscore stat underscore a button. Button defines a clickable smart button. Class OE stat underscore button gives it Odoo smart button styling. Then the name action underscore view underscore sale underscore orders calls the Python method by this name when clicked. So the same name you will see if we go in our Python files, this one. So action view sale orders. If we go in our file, you see action view sale orders, the same thing. So that's what will trigger that method. Then type is object, means the button triggers a method on the model, not an external action. Then the icon, so FA shopping dash cart. This is the icon which I'm using, but you can use anything else. Let me just show it to you. If you just open in a browser and just type this there, you can see many websites. And if I click on this first one, so you can see this FA dash shopping dash cart. This is the icon which I'm using. So you can use any other icons as well. As you know, you can see all the icons here. You can just search whatever you like. You can just use in there. So then help shows a tooltip where when hovering over the button. So when you're hovering with your mouse icon on the smart button, it will tell you a small tooltip that what this icon or what this button is doing. Then in groups, it restricts the button to users in the sales group. So you can utilize it by giving access to different users. But if it's up to you. You want to use it or not, it's up to you. And then inner content, what the button displays. So div class, OE field, widget, OE stat underscore info, wrapper for displaying the button info in Odoo Smart Button layout. And then the span class, OE stat, d-flex gap-i. So basically these are the bootstrap classes. This is the label under the number which appears below the stat. It shows as the sale orders to the users. And then the close tags. You can see all these close tags, div, button, XPath, field, record. These lines close all previously open tags in the correct nesting order. So now, in short, what this achieves, a beautiful smart button appears in the product form view. It shows a live count of related sale orders. When clicked, it run the Python method action underscore view underscore sale underscore orders to show those orders. That's it. Very simple. I have explained it, I believe, in very, very detailed manner. And I believe it will not be a difficult one for you. It's very simple. One more thing, I have created this folder static and then description. In this folder, I am going to insert one picture which will be the module picture, module icon whenever we will install this module. So now guys, this is time to go and install this module. Right. So what we do, we just go in UI now. And before that, let's just restart your Odoo service and go in UI. Make sure that your developer mode is on. It is already on. And then we can go in apps. After that, you go in your module and click manifest file and copy the name of your module. After that, click update apps list first. So it will fetch all the new modules which we have added in our custom folder, and then paste our module name and click press enter. Once you do that, you will see your new beautiful shiny module is already there to be installed. We click activate button. Right. So once we activate our activate our module, it will install our module. Now if we go in sales and then in products, product variants. So guys, let me just choose. So these are two products. The one product is color white, one is color wood. So if we click our product here, so we can see this sale orders. This is the smart button which we have already created. And as you can see, it view all sale orders containing this product. This is the helping tooltip we are getting. This is because if we go in our Visual Studio Code and go in our XML file, you can see in help, exactly this is what we are achieving. View all sale orders containing this product. You can see this here. Now, it's showing us 0 because it has not been used in any sale order yet. Okay, now you see this is the color white acoustic block screens. The color white acoustic block screens. So let me duplicate this window and now go in sale orders and create a new sale order. So here we choose a customer and now we choose the exact same product which we were talking. Acoustic block screen, I guess. Yes, and color white. So acoustic block screen and we choose color white. And now we choose to quantity and confirm it and save it. Once we do that and go back to the same product now, it's still showing us 0, but it's showing us 0 because we have not refreshed this page. So now we are going to refresh it. Once we do that, voila, we can see it 1. And if we click it here, we can see the same sale order which we have created, and we can see quantity 2 with the same product and the price. So guys, it's so simple, so elegant, so unique thing. And you can do it in couple of minutes by listening to this video, to looking at this video and following this tutorial. You can do it very easily. Guys, I believe you have liked this video. We just created a fully functional custom smart mode button in Odoo 18 from scratch. It counts the number of sale orders linked to each product and with a single click gives users instant access to that filtered list. This kind of customization may seem small, but it goes a long way in improving the user experience, navigation speed, and overall productivity, especially for sales and inventory teams. Whether you are a developer, technical consultant, or just learning Odoo, this is a powerful feature to have in your toolkit. If you found this helpful and want more videos on smart buttons for other models like invoices, bombs, or inventory, advanced UI customization, or building complete business apps in Odoo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comment below. Guys, one more thing. Yes, we are on a mission to show customization, Odoo 18 customization, or Odoo customization in any other version. I mean, I am trying my best to explain in a great way, and all these examples definitely are helping you out. But if you want to customize a bespoke solution for your business or for any business you're running, or you already have customized, or there are any issues, please, you can find us by using my email address odooistic@gmail.com. I will also leave my other special business email address as well, where you can reach us out and explain me if you want custom development requirement. So definitely we are going to help you out in that. So thank you so much for listening, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.